abundance? Are you oversizing? Are you not following proper risk? It's very easy not to actually blow them. Just don't oversize. Follow risk management. That's all it is. Sup, YouTube? Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. Let everybody know that we're live. Bet. Bet. What's up, YouTube? Let's see, go live. Perfect. So, Woody Wood, Leighton Yak, I think is how you say it. Good morning. As always, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button, it'd be greatly appreciated. Greatly appreciated. We got the market open here in 15 minutes. Well, 18 minutes if you want to be technical. We do have FOMC today, so might be a little slow. We'll see. I'd say those demands aren't big enough. I mean, it might potentially, but I wouldn't consider it super high probability, personally. It's also FOMC minutes, so like, kind of expect the market to not offer anything good, but obviously that could change. There we go. We got you guys. Hit the like. Greatly appreciated. What up? Good morning. Also, if you guys didn't see, Apex 90% off is back, so make sure you guys use code Brandon if you're trying to get funded for 90% off. 50K accounts are only 20 bucks. I'm going to pin it in the chat. Let's see. Whoops. But yeah, if you guys want accounts, why is it not letting me pin? Maybe not. But yeah, if you want accounts, code Brandon, all caps. 90% off. Not really a whole lot to go over this morning. Kind of just now waiting for the market to open. What's GD talking about? I think GD's on crack this morning. I don't know what he's talking about. Appreciate it, Tim. Good morning. Back from last night. Let's go. What broker do you use and do you trade options inside of TradingView? Well, one, you cannot trade options on TradingView. I only execute through Thinkorswim or Tradeovate. I don't like executing through TradingView at all, but I'll be back in a second. Hold on, everyone. I'm gonna go get water. All right, water is secured. Bet. Bet. Appreciate you. Remember, all I ask from you guys is one, hit that like button. Two, if you ever buy a prop account, take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Apex, make sure to use discount code Brandon. That's all I ask. Again, good morning, everybody in Team Bull. Not a whole lot on watch today. Remember, we do have FOMC minutes. Could be a little choppy. We'll see. But yeah, as always, A+ setups only. If the market offers us something, we take it. If not, we sit on hands and we wait for a better setup. Y'all got questions on YouTube? Any questions at all? Yeah, I trade Asia periodically, once or twice a week. Shouldn't be locked out of it unless you canceled. It's the only reason I can think of. Weird. I don't know then. Also, real quick, if you guys didn't see, Apex is currently 90% off. So if you guys need accounts, 50K accounts are only like $20 right now. So now is the time. Either use code Brandon or GDI. It's really up to you. GD if you want to support GD, Brandon if you want to support me. But yeah, 90% off currently. Turn up your volume. You know, if I thought we would move to 692 today, I don't know what you're talking about on what stock, but I'd probably make $1 million if I knew the answer to that. Why do I prefer Trade Evade? It's easy. Let's see. How has Bookmap improved your trading? Because you identify key levels in the market and you can visually see, are there actually buyers or sellers sitting at that key level? So if there's no buyers or sellers, you don't take it. If there is, obviously you do take it. There's Mr. GD. Mr. Gino. Boom.
You.
What up?
What's up, dude?
Not much. It's $1 million question right there. Wish I had the answer, but I don't. We simply watch key levels and we wait for confirmation. That's all I do. Shit.
Are you looking for today, Brandon?
We have minutes, so honestly, not like super excited about anything.
It's not what I wanted to hear, dude. It's not what I wanted to hear. Not what I wanted to hear.
Lo siento, buddy. Happy Ash Wednesday, though. Did you go to church like a good boy?
Not this morning.
Why not?
So I woke up late.
I'm going with Gene at 6. We could potentially watch gold above that pre-market high, 49.89 or 99. Sorry, 49.90. There we go. Definitely open to that. We are watching ES and NQ and potentially gold today. Let's hope. We took one small loser last night for Asia on NQ, and then we caught a really nice gold trade, so ended the Asia session in the green. But again, if you guys are looking for cheap accounts, now is the time to load up on Apex. 90% off for the next 7 days. So 50K accounts are only $20 right now. So if you guys decide to get some Apex accounts, again, 90% off. 50K accounts are only $20. Make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps, BRANDON. Yeah, Matt, I caught a 10-point loss on NQ and then like an 8-point win on GC. So, ended the session green. Got 2 trims on that gold and then stopped out the rest in profits.
Oh, you're so good at trading, buddy.
Thank you.
I caught a good trade in the class.
Oh, yeah?
Same setup that we lost on earlier. Just a break and retest of the pre-market high. You should join my class next time.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Nah.
Why?
Because I'm a busy man.
That's crazy. I want everyone to know in the Discord that's how much he values you. He doesn't care about you.
What are you going to teach me?
I teach class every week for you guys. Every week.
Oh, I got to do power hour today. Fuck. I'll be here. You want to do power hour, GD?
No, I can't.
Damn, dude.
I have wrestling match today.
Nice. All right, 2 minutes. Trade safe, trade smart. Let's get this bag. See what other news we have today. Cool. Nothing until minutes. No, the entire candle has to be a small red candle. Then where can I find you to profitably chart? Is it that? I don't know what you're trying to ask. But if you guys could, real quick, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. We got 100 of you in here and only 34 likes, so less than half of you have hit that like button. Again, take 2 seconds, find that like button, click it. I do this stuff for free. All I ask for you guys is to hit the like, and then again, if you use or if you get any prop accounts with TPT, Apex, or Tradeify, all I ask is that you guys use my code as well. Obviously, the goal is to help you guys pass your accounts and get you guys payouts. So all you gotta do is join every day, hit the like, and use my code. That's it. It doesn't pop up until I click on participants.
Excuses, excuses.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Nice little dump off the open. I do want to keep an eye on this GC, and it actually is looking pretty good.
Let's see what we're gonna do down here.
GC looking strong. We're above that high.
We've been sweeping pre-market lows and highs like pretty consistently.
See if we can close above this previous pre-market high and then a pullback and retest on gold. Hopefully they don't retest based on the 1 minute.
We have 1 minute on this candle. See how it closes. bearish close on spot or on QQQ.
If a 5-minute candle close on gold. I mean, your risk is tight if you took it. I'm just not a big fan of that long upper wick. Of course.
We're getting up towards this like pre-market high or pre-market low. Sorry. Retest. Just I'm not taking that. Gonna let the market settle for at least 5 minutes.
Well, gold did not want to give proper confirmation, but it still made the move, unfortunately. All right, I gotta go let this worker in the house real quick. Hold on. That damn gold, dude. Gold did not want to give the proper confirmation, then just fucking nukes. Be like that. Yeah, you dig the new office? Fire. Let's see, do we still have the squeeze? Yes, we do. I mean, I'm still willing to watch this gold if we get pullbacks. Still willing. And again, one more time, if you guys are looking to get cheap Apex accounts, they're currently 90% off. So if you guys use code Brandon in all caps, it'll get you 90% off Apex accounts. The 50K accounts are a little less than $20. So again, Apex, there's a link somewhere higher. I'll post it. Hold on. Where'd the link go? There it is. But if you use code Brandon, all caps, it'll get you 90% off. So there's that link. There's that discount code. Unbelievable with this gold. Still look to see if they pull price back, but that was the move that I wanted. Good shit, Birdman. Again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that like button too. It'd be greatly appreciated. Take 2 seconds, hit that like button. What do you mean, do I actually place any trades? Have I taken a trade today? No. Have I taken a trade last night? Yes. If that's what you're asking.
Right. Candle close just below that pre-market. We have SPY that reclaimed. A lot of stocks red right now.
Got more than half of you who hit the like. Doing good so far. Bro, I gotta figure out this screen. This shit's annoying. There we go. No. I only take trades based off what I see. Not Miss Nancy Pelosi. Still potentially considering those shorts on NQ if we could lose that like 805 level again. Morning, Colorado Cowboy. As of right now, just patiently waiting. I was watching gold longs to break and retest the pre-market high. Just unfortunately, there was no real confirmation. Not on the 5-minute, not on the 2-minute, and I don't even think the 1-minute looked good either. Yeah, the 1-minute didn't even look good. So that more so would have just been, hey, we're trying pre-market high. But yeah, of course it nuked. So right now, sitting on my hands, just waiting.
We have been sweeping these pre-market lows and highs so consistently this week and last week. I would like to look for some longs of some sort if we continue and like look for a pullback, but we'll see if we want to
Spies
hold
above
this strength or
yesterday's
not.
high. Or sorry, SPX is above yesterday's high. SPY is not. Not yet. Let's hope. There's just been a lot of like, we get really close to a level and then bounce or reject just before. We get to levels we don't confirm and then we make the move. That seems to be a common theme that we've been seeing this year. It's been annoying for sure. It's been annoying for sure. What's up? Good morning. I want to watch this gold again if we get to 49.90, everybody. Question is, do we actually get there? GC. If you're looking to trade it, I would trade the micros MGC J6.
That was a quick dip down. That's what I was kind of looking for, was that strong close and that and dip down on those EMEs. It would have been way better if we had a gap formed, but we're very choppy with these wicks up and down.
Remember, everybody, just stay patient today. Yep. We sit on hands until opportunity presents itself. Only and if only opportunity presents itself, then we take a trade. This goddamn gold, dude. This goddamn gold, I swear. Just could not give proper confirmation. That would have been a beautiful trade, too. Again, remember, everybody, we got minutes today. Could be choppy. If you guys got questions in the YouTube, feel free to ask also. Yeah, I'm probably going to do one within a couple months. Colorado Cowboy.
Let's see, what else we have? Boom C minutes. Fed chairman at 1.
Okay, nice little dump out of nowhere.
There's going to be a lot of chop, definitely, before this minutes. So just brutal price action, honestly, in 2026, I believe. I think this price action's been really going to trade and navigate. I've averaged 3 trades a week, day trades a week. It's like nothing.
Yeah, February's been slow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Need some caffeine. I'm tired. I'm on the 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame. I guess if we start closing back down below this pre-market low, maybe a pop-up, and I'd consider it a short. Only if we can close below it. Kinda. So watch this pop up. See if we can reject this ADMA and come back down. I was thinking about it. I still want to watch it.
What are you looking for?
Possible shorts. They're just toying around.
Voice actor is horrible, man. I can't stand it.
Nope, bouncing back up. We got ES holding that pre-market low too, so we need both to lose it. Can't do the music if GD is on because it'll echo through my mic and my speakers. Well, was looking for a potential short. Marcus said, fuck your shorts. Well, I guess if you guys got more questions, feel free to ask. Good morning. Let's go live on TikTok, actually. Why not? Let's have fun with TikTok.
How you guys doing this morning? Pretty boring morning, but when you see candles like this, you're best off not taking any trades and just overviewing.
Nothing on ES. Gold would have been the move today, for sure.
Just doesn't. We if you go back to that WM chart yesterday, we broke out, we retested it, we made a high, we were up like 20. I think at the top like 27, 28%, around 30%. When price starts to die in the day, if we don't hold that breakout level, we're gonna get out as we start to, disrespect that breakout level. It's not worth holding if it doesn't, if it was already up 20+%, it's not worth holding.
It's good enough. Do that. All right. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds to hit that like button, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Breaking even on that trade. I didn't even take profit at 20. Usually I take profit around 30%, but I didn't even take any profit. I was in the light.
Gotta do the TikTok disclaimer real quick. Everybody here on TikTok, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Today is February 18th in Denver, Colorado at 7:55 a.m. So again, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Now let's hope that TikTok doesn't restrict me. Still want to watch gold if we can get a pullback eventually. Then, ES and NQ, I don't really have anything. I don't really have anything. Very tricky price action on both of those. I mean, maybe if we pulled back on one of them, but yeah, weird PA. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex 90% off currently. Make sure you guys use discount code Brandon. The 50K accounts are only $20 right now. So if you're looking to pass some accounts for the cheap, make sure you use code Brandon. Use code Brandon on Apex. All right, GD, give me a trade.
I don't know, bro. I actually don't have anything.
I don't know.
I don't know either. I just don't know.
Maybe a pullback on gold to the 8 EMA is what I would like. Trying to break like that daily trend line that we've been in.
We have pre-market high approaching, and we also have a New York session high. So I'm interested to see us continue to push higher into those areas, and then maybe look for a sweep back down into range. We'll see.
Just pumping for no reason.
It's pumping now because it chopped around for the first 20 minutes of market open. Got a lot of people stopped out. Got a lot of people taking bad trades. Now it's gonna make a move.
Yeah, again, remember it's FOMC. FOMC minutes. But let me actually see if I can change GD. Put them on the other speaker so I can play music. Say something, GD.
What's up?
Hold on. Say something again.
What's up?
Damn, dude, I can't change the speaker. Whatever.
What do you mean?
I was trying to put you on my other speaker, but it doesn't want to change. Maybe a pullback to 80.
Look for a pullback.
Maybe, if we can get it. If not, we're just going to target these highs.
Pullbacks.
For the ones watching on TikTok, if you guys could, make sure to double tap that screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. Helps a lot with the TikTok algo. Double tap that screen. You can do it more than once, too. The person that hit it one time. Oh, water bottle. Let's see what zone is this. That's our previous high. That damn gold, I swear, bro. I'm gonna get FOMO from that. It was a good setup, just not the confirmation that we want. We would have just blindly been entering, which would suck. You don't trade like that, but it's just going. Trend day.
Bro. Alright. No pullbacks. We're getting up towards this pre-market high and New York session high. This is a really important area to me. So we're going to be watching this area, see if there's any sellers to look for a sweep of this high and potentially make a lower, a lower high and then look for a lower low. For some shorts.
Would love if we got a pullback. And if you guys could double tap on TikTok, it'd be greatly appreciated. Help with the likes. The more likes we get, the more that TikTok likes to push the live, and the more people we get in here. So I ask. So you guys double tap. Got NQ trading above pre-market high. I would like to pull back into the orbs, but we already know the market doesn't like to give pullbacks. So here's our 15-minute orb. Here's our 30 right there. Get a strong enough push above these levels, maybe a pullback, retest this pre-market high as well as that 30-minute orb. Then we can look for a move higher.
It's going to be an important area, I believe, on QQQ. And somewhere where we bounced previously, and somewhere where we rejected previously, so could be wrong, but here's the two possibilities I see. One, we end up sweeping this area and we look for some shorts back into range. Or two, we continue this strength above these areas, then we can look for a retest of this. It's the two scenarios I see.
Yeah, I'm going to watch a retest on that QQQ level.
So much strength. And the video breaking out at pre-market highs. Again, this is definitely an area that we'll look for a breakout or a retest on, especially with it being pre-market high and previous resistance.
I'm going to watch this in video. Watch this pull back into the high. Watch 189.30 on a video. How we doing on the YouTube, everybody? We still doing good? Everybody still chilling, vibing? I use 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and VWAP. Watching this video here. I'll say I don't really like how overextended it is from the 8 EMA. Currently rejecting off 6,900 on SPX. Watch this 188.77 on NVIDIA as well. Starting to lose that pre-market high. I haven't taken any trades. See if we touch this 8 EMA on NVIDIA. Come on, get down there.
I've been talking this whole time, and I've been muted.
Nice.
Looking for this pullback, at least halfway through this gap.
I do like that NQ setup. A lot.
What?
I said I like that NQ setup a lot. If it can pull back into that gap.
Yeah.
Got the 8 EMA, 30-minute orb, pre-market high.
This market doesn't provide pullbacks, so.
Yeah, we should know better.
Right back.
All right, let's watch this pullback on NQ. Let's hope we get it into that 30-minute or pre-market high. I'd be a very, very happy man. I'd not be surprised if we do not get the pullback. I would love for it, but I would not be surprised. Shocker. Shocker, everybody. Any trades? Nope. No trades. Like, literally, you couldn't have pulled back 30, 40 points. Gave a good entry. And then did this. Like, damn, dude. It's still valid if we get it. PA does indeed suck ass. Again, if you guys need accounts, code Brandon on Apex, 90% off currently. This fucking price action, I swear, dude. Most shallow pullback before it moves. Probably won't even get that in video either, because that's getting close, but it's not hitting the level, which is annoying. Get too many spam DMs on Instagram. Shocker, everybody. Shocker. Nvidia didn't hit the level. NQ, nowhere close to the level. What are they both doing? Doing exactly what we wanted. Shocker. I just don't like how overextended it is. It's such a shallow pullback that most of the time setups like that don't work. But backtesting trend days, they don't give a fuck what I think. $25,169 is our supply zone, and then 25,208. So, I mean, if we could push up there, I'd be happy. Nvidia contracts aren't even really moving either. Well, does anybody got questions while we're chilling? Have a good one, David. Any questions at all? Can I make a pullback? Sure, I would just short sell 30,000. 30,000 cons on NQ. No, it already pulled back 25,000. Already pulled back and hit it perfectly. Nope, no trades yet. Nothing made sense to take longs. There was a gold potential setup. It just never gave confirmation. Then it's just been grinding up all day. And yeah, never just rocket shipping up. GD had some business to take care of. If you know, you know. Any other questions? Because this market's got me really bored.
Sorry, guys, I was not at my desk.
Oh, where'd you go, bud?
I think the chat can probably tell you where I was at.
Oh, Mr. GD.
I mean, I kind of missed it. Kind of missed the pullback. It wasn't big, but we had one.
How many GTRs do I have? One? Why would I need more than one? Why is the sky blue? Good question.
Man,
Bro, this shit's boring.
I thought it's been boring, bro. This entire month or this entire year for me has been pretty boring. First week was like crazy good, and now just
The first week. Fuck the first week.
no. The first week cooked you.
Yeah. First week bent me over, bro. My ass was sore after the first week.
You should not tell people that
Why?
because it sounds very sus.
It's 2026, dog. Who are you to judge?
I'm not judging. I'm just saying some things are meant to be private, you know.
Yeah, man, I don't even see any fucking swings. Just nothing. It's been like that all year. I guess maybe if we actually pull back and hit this 8 EMA, I'd consider it. Which happens to be at 25,000 now, but yeah, it's about the only thing I see. Course that video is just pushing, bro. No entry, no confirmation. Gone. I think what we're gonna start doing is taking like a fifth early entry because it's been a pretty common theme that when we get close to levels, it just does exactly what we want it to do.
That's why I've been starting to. That's the whole year so far. So that's why I've been like just starting a really small size position, and be willing to either cut it if it actually, doesn't confirm at all, or just add to it if it does.
Yeah.
We should catch some of it.
I've always hated doing that shit, but I think we might have to.
I don't like doing it either, but it's the only way that you're catching moves now. Like for me, when I use these gaps, we're not seeing. This is what we've been seeing all years. Then we just touch it and then rip, not rip down to a level or 50% of that gap and then actually move. So it's worth doing that, and then just having to deal with managing it a little differently.
You sure? No trades yet. Trust me, you will know in here if I take a trade. But again, if you guys need Apex accounts, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. Get you 90% off all your accounts. 50K accounts are only 20 bucks, a little less than 20 bucks. So again, discount code Brandon, all caps on Apex. So how's life, GD?
Honestly, it's great. I can't complain.
Nice. Did you see the bathroom on my story?
Maybe.
Bro, shit's fire. Go look at it.
I'm looking.
That fan is a speaker too. I can play music and then the lights will like sync with it. Have a little rave in the shower.
Oh, I didn't even know that was a bathroom when you
Yeah.
posted it.
Doesn't have the toilet yet.
Yeah, it was. I thought it was like a sauna. I don't even know.
No, it's the
But
bathroom.
yeah, it's dope.
Thank you. Well, what happened when I hit the 3K target? Though, so when you hit the do you still have to pay the 190? If hold on, I'll answer both questions. If you're getting 90% off on an Apex account and it is $20, okay, there's no reason you should be trading that thing after a whole month. Why waste a month of your time to pass an account for 20 bucks? You know what I mean? I'd be a little more aggressive with them because they're 20 bucks. Okay. The goal with them, because they're so cheap, pass them faster. But once you hit that 3K profit on TPT, they'll then move you to a pro account. That's where you can start working towards payouts. Jamal. Well, it depends where in Colorado. Or you're just going to Colorado. You don't know where. I mean, downtown's pretty cool. I'd say go to the mountains though. You go, you pick the 50K trade of 8. You type in code Brandon, all caps. You put in your credit card. It's a monthly subscription. Your first one's going to be like $19. If you don't pass it within the first month, it's going to charge you again at the higher price. Again, the goal is not to trade longer than a month with them, right? If you fail it, you cancel the subscription. And all you do is that 20 bucks. No. I don't think I've ever listened to a John Summit song.
You don't like house music?
Not really.
Really?
I like my rap.
You're an interesting fellow.
Oh no. All right, see if we hit this ADMA. At least for like something. Okay, let's watch it. We're getting close. Okay. 20 more points. You can do it. Exactly. Make sure to use this link to get your Apex account. We are so close.
Are we?
Yeah, but I really have to pee. Come on, 20 more points. There's some big buyers at this 20.
And it makes me sleep every morning.
Okay, I'm gonna try my
Order
fifth
filled.
size. A fifth of a size. And then willing to add if we hit 11.
Broke it down to fives. What is he even doing, bro?
What's up? Price target will just be high day. Did a fifth of my size on MNQ. We were up like 13 points.
Yeah, honestly, I don't even know what you're trading either.
Think if you guys listened, I said I was watching a pullback to the ADMA a few times.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
So
I
that
just
would
selected the.
entice potential longs.
Oh,
Nice. We're up 20, almost 20 points up here. There we go. We're up 20 points if you guys want to trim. I'm going to just put my stop at break even. We either get high a day or we don't. If I had more size, I would be trimming for the 20 points, but or actually I set my stop a couple points in profit, but yeah, we either push off this ADMA and we get back in a high day or we start to fail and break below. So that's why my stop is at break even now. Like I said, if you guys do want to trim for 20 points, feel free. But yeah, we do have some sellers at 52, decent amount of sellers at 52. So if we can take them out, should get that push a little higher. But again, I'm going to just keep my stop a couple points in profit. Worst case scenario, break even trade. Any of you guys take that? Lunch money, Starbucks money. Nice. Like I said, if you wanted to trim, you had the opportunity. We don't have supply until way up here. So, I mean, would love to see us get up there. Never really got the confirmation at the ADMA either. It was more so like we had orders there and then more orders below. So, nice. Nice. Okay, we're up 30 points up here.
order
I'm
filled.
gonna go ahead and just book my profits here, everybody, for 25 points.
Looks good to make a high day though.
I know it's just
Not far
more,
away.
it could, but when we trade this specific setup, I treat it more as a scalp. Because, like, when we get that overextended move, I'll look to scalp that first touch of the ADMA. Usually it doesn't give like the biggest moves. Again, obviously, like it could. I didn't have that big a size, so I just booked my profits. But again,
What's
feel
going
free.
on, bro? You should have held that shit.
Nah, bro, I don't really care. I'll take it.
What do you mean you don't care?
I don't care.
I just doubled your trade right there, bro.
Huh?
I would have doubled your profit right there.
No, it moved 8 points higher than where I trimmed.
No, stop
9 points.
Stop it, Brandon.
I'll take it. Like I said, I treat this more as a scalp because we are very overextended. No real pullback. But, if we do start to nuke from here, I'll absolutely watch this supply zone. 100%.
I
That
ain't
would be
even
the
gonna
higher
lie.
probability.
I'm kind of surprised that even worked.
Huh?
I'm kind of surprised that even worked. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. I mean, we had orders there, so, I mean, it made sense. See? Thick area of orders at 20, thick area of orders at 10. So,
Use volume profile.
no.
You ever use that?
That only shows you past data. Doesn't show you current.
Oh, it doesn't.
No.
But it shows you past data of where orders are sitting. Does it still work the same way or no?
Say that again?
Like it shows you past data of where the most volume is sitting, like where the most orders are sitting now.
It shows you where orders have been executed in the past within that range.
Right.
But Bookmap is showing you where orders are going to execute.
Good scalp.
Yeah.
Ended up being
I'll take the scalp.
Straight.
Like I said, it could continue to push. It's not really. I literally had a fifth of a size, so I couldn't really trim out. But it is what it is. Usually treat those setups as scalps anyway, so I mean, even fucking 25 points is good for that. Did you guys make lunch money with me today? See, no. Yup.
Can I ask you a question?
I'll give you an answer.
Let's say with my live account on Tradeovate, right?
Okay.
If I didn't pay for the like the subscription to have live data, but if I have it on Thinkorswim and connected it to not Thinkorswim to TradingView, do I need the live data on Tradeovate still?
Do you pay for the data through TradingView?
Yes.
I don't think so then. I don't know. I don't use TradingView. I don't like it.
Brett says yes.
I wouldn't think you pay for CME data.
I usually do, but I'm saying, why would I pay for it if I pay for TradingView?
Well, no. If you pay for TradingView, that's different than paying for the CME data. Like, do you pay for CME data through TradingView?
You could. I'm saying, so it doesn't like work the same.
No, you have to have CME data. It's like $4 on Tradeovate.
$4
For the data, yeah. Or like $8, one of the two. It's not that expensive.
For some reason, I don't even see it on my live account. All I see is I see membership, and then I see free, and then I see upgrade. That doesn't make really much sense. Or add-ons.
Even if you guys got baby gains for the day, it would mean the world to me if you guys could post and hashtag post your gains. We made the best of what the market could give us today.
You don't necessarily need to catch a trade every day. It's not really the point. The point is to learn, to be patient, and follow your rules.
Hashtag post your gains. Maybe I'll give away some Apex accounts next week too when I get back. You guys just gotta do your part. Post. Tag me in GD. Yeah, like I said, usually that 8 EMA pullback is when we're overextended, I treat it way more as a scalp. Like even getting 20, 25 points, that's, pretty fucking good for that setup. All right, we got one person that put it in. N ... That's all I see. Who else? Thank you, Matt. I appreciate you. If I get an Apex account to give away, I'm giving it to Matt. He was the first one and the only one. Oh, now we see somebody else type in. Huh, interesting. Who else? I saw a few people say they made money on it. Oh, Money Matthew, 2J. So to get you guys to post gains, I just got to offer accounts. I see how it is. I'm talking to the people in my Discord. I only give away accounts if you're in the Discord. Or give away accounts to the people in the Discord, I should say. Oh. Like I said, it might continue to push. Just I'm pretty aggressive on those first pullbacks. And I didn't even have that big a size, so not really much I can do. Might grind into supply though. Just slow grind. I'll post the Discord in the YouTube. That's where I live trade every day. If you guys don't want delay, if you want access to me for, all of my New York, Asia, as well as Power Hour streams, access to other people as well, this is where I live trade every day. I'll guarantee you this. If you join, you pay for the week, you pay for the month, and you don't like it for the week or the month, I'll even refund you the full price, which most people would not offer that. So again, if you don't like it, you pay for the week, you pay for the month, I'll personally refund you.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna hop off. No trades for me today. Just staying patient in this market. That's all. It will reward you down the long run. We're only a month and a half in to the new year. You don't have to take trades every day. You're gonna have some really good months, some slower months, maybe some bad months, but you manage your risk through the bad ones. You optimize all the opportunities in the good ones. You should make plenty of money to be profitable on the year. So, catch you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, and stay disciplined. See you guys.
Peace, homie. What's up, Team Bull? Yup. Yeah. I'm gonna hop off too. Remember, Apex accounts are currently 90% off. If you guys need them, might as well load up while you can while they're super cheap. 50K accounts are only 20 bucks. I won't be here tomorrow. I'll be on a flight, so I'll be posting in my tab if I see anything. And then I'll be live on Friday. No Asia tonight. Ash Wednesday, fool. Going to church. But yeah, use code Brandon on Apex. Get your 90% off. I will be live for Power Hour. Yes, I will. So last hour of market open, I'll be live. But yeah, code Brandon. Appreciate you guys. If you made money, hashtag post your gains. I'll talk to you guys for Power Hour.